everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. I am Shuchi Pandey. In this video, we will know what is confidence interval and what is confidence level. First, we will know what is confidence interval. Confidence intervals are used to estimate the unknown population mean. In statistics, confidence interval means a range in which a certain value may lie. Suppose we have drawn a sample from infinite population, then we can predict population mean in between two values. That is, the range in which we predict population mean is confidence interval. Now, let's know what is confidence level. The probabilities of a value to lie between confidence interval is confidence level. Suppose we have drawn a sample from infinite population, then we can predict population mean in between confidence interval and the chances that these value lies between confidence interval is confidence level. We can understand these all with the help of an example. Suppose we have an infinite population. We randomly select some samples from that infinite population. Consider a sample with sample mean is equal to 180, standard deviation is equal to 12 and sample size is equal to 36. We can calculate standard error of mean with the help of given values, and the standard error of mean is equal to 2. From this sample, we can predict population mean, not exactly but between a range. With 95% chance lies between sample mean plus minus 1.96 into standard error of sample mean, population mean. With 99% chance lies between sample mean plus minus 2.58 into standard error of sample mean. Here 95% and 99% are confidence level and sample mean plus minus 1.96 into standard error of sample mean and sample mean plus minus 2.58 into standard error of sample mean are confidence intervals. As already calculated the mean and the standard error of the mean of a sample, we can easily determine the confidence interval within which the true mean of the population most likely will be. At 95% confidence interval, the population mean is equal to 180 plus minus 1.96 into standard error of mean is equal to 180 plus minus 1.96 into 2. 2 is the value of standard error of mean. That is, confidence interval lies in between 176.08 to 183.92. At 99% confidence interval, the population mean lies in between 174.84 to 184.16. Here I am ending this session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more updates, please press bell icon. Thank you for watching.